Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have this box right here, and it's a little sneak peek. You can tell from the thumbnail. This is the Ipsy PR package for October. Excited. I haven't seen that the bag and the glam bag is supposed to be really awesome. The theme for October is it's Glam-O-Ween season. Catchy. I like it. Ooh, we have new bags. Ooh, for the glam bag too. So we have that. And I don't know if I can get this out. Ooh, let me see if I can turn this over and get this out. The box won't come. Okay. Let's get rid of the box. Sorry, Oreo. You have to watch out, honey. And then here is the box. You know, the same type of box. But now they changed the glam bag from that bright pink to the ombre, like pink, like a little peach, blue, purple. I like. Before I start that, I wanted to, I have a card here that I received from Tina and Ara. Thank you so much. That was so sweet of you. It's just been a tough 2 months, and I don't foresee it getting too much easier. Just because there's a lot of firsts coming up that are going to be difficult. You know, her birthday is in October. You know, Thanksgiving and Christmas and things like that. They're just going to be tough. So for the next couple months, without a doubt, are going to be difficult months to get through. I still ask for continued prayers for my sister, especially, who is just struggling. You know, for anybody that's a mom out there, you know, you could just imagine the devastation and the heartbreak if you're a mom losing a child. Doesn't matter how old, how young or how old. Oreo, stop. Thank you. She's wagging her tail. So just continued prayers for my sister, especially. You know, the rest of us are struggling, but for her, it's extremely difficult. Just to even get through the day, get through an hour, and I just, you know, my heart breaks. So, we're going to get right into these. The Ipsy Glam Bag is $13 a month. You get 5 samples, deluxe minis, whatever they're calling them these days. Sometimes we do get a full-size item. We customize one item in the glam bag, and we all pay $1.99 shipping and handling. I, in Pennsylvania, pay sales tax also. The Boxy by Ipsy is $28 a month, 5 full-size beauty products. We customize 3 out of the 5. Also pay the $1.99 shipping and handling, and I also pay tax. In my own paid box, I do pay the $15 to get the Beauty Boost. And that is coming up in, you know, today, tomorrow, the next day. You know, it's usually the beginning of October, which it is October 2nd, I think. October 2nd, yes. Choice. I'm not sure exactly the day. You don't need to comment when the day is. I will look it up. I know the first was Sunday, so it wouldn't be that day. So it could be today, tomorrow, the next day. Sometimes they say from the 2nd to the 5th. And so just be on it so that you get to pick the products that you want. So let's do, now you normally do this first, but I'm going to hold off on that. And let's do this box first this time. This is the Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let's, it's wrapped different. Okay. So first in here, now I don't have, I have my date book. I have so much stuff out on this table. It's not even funny. And I have my date book here because I didn't want, I had to film something and I needed my date book for it. So let me, just like, don't have my act together, but do I ever? Good question. Probably not. So let's start off with the first item I see in my Boxycharm by Ipsy, and these are brushes by Ace Beauté. Now, I will not open these because I'll probably share these. So it's 4 eyeshadow brushes. You know, like a longer shader, a packer, you know, and then just shadow brushes. So there's 4 of them. These are usually pretty nice. I just don't need to be keeping a ton of brushes. So let's just put that there. The next thing that I have here is from a company called Pomelo and Company Vanilla Boost Ultra Repairing Hair Mask. Coconut and almond oil. And I love when they're resealable like this because you don't need, there's a lot in there. How many ounces? 3.3 ounces, 100 ml. That's quite a bit. Oreo. She's trying my patience today. So good size, and I like that you can reseal it. And I was just saying yesterday, my hair seems very dry. Not an over scent, which is good. So but I like that you can seal it back up. Like I said, I was just saying yesterday, my hair seems very dry, and it's probably because the change of season, and I've been like killing my hair with the flat iron or the heat brush, and I really need to do that. I am due for a haircut. I cannot wait to get my hair cut, and it should help with, be using less heat once I get it cut. But I am in desperate need of a hair mask, and really only have 2. But I was hoping to get a new one in the beginning part of the month, but now I have it, so I'm going to give that a try. Until I get my hair cut, I'm just going to have to, deal with it. I've tried putting oil in the ends, and it's just not helping. My hair's very dry. Next, from Ole Henriksen, or Ola Henriksen, I'm not sure how you say that. Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. Nice. Love the products from this brand. They're always good. Nice size product right here. Excited for that too. I love it. Gonna stand. Next we have Huda Beauty Automatic Lip Pencil Lip Contour 2.0. So that's a lip crown. And I have Pinky Brown. So where's my blade? Try to open this box up carefully. Let's see. They're so difficult to get out of the boxes. Oh, I'm gonna have to open the other end. I don't think I can get it out. Okay, let's slit the tape. Might have to push it through. I cannot get into this. Okay, let's push it that way, I think. Okay. Ugh, difficult to get out of the package. They put them in so tight. So this is what it looks like. I want to hold it the proper way. Huda Beauty. So this is a pinky brown. Let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. It is right there. Oh, I like that. That would go with almost anything, especially for me now. Let me see if I can. Yeah, it's going to be hard. I'm going to leave that out. So that's easy. That's pretty. What else is in here? Let's get rid of all the paper. Ooh. Okay. Plus, I think I want to get rid of the box. Don't need the box. I have a palette. This looks like it's from Iconic London. This is Booming and Gleaming eyeshadow palette. I don't think I've seen this anywhere. Nice mirror. Let me see. Ooh, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. One purple, like a mauve, some neutrals, Cabernets, like a reddish brown, black. We have some shimmers, some mattes. This is really nice. I might give this away just because I just did a declutter of all these neutrals, and this is another neutral palette. Oy, oy, oy. So that could be a giveaway. You never know. I'm going to keep this out of the way. So that's the Glam bag. I mean the Boxycharm by Ipsy. So let's do the Glam bag. I'm curious what this looks like. Because I haven't seen it, but I've seen people say, oh, because people voted on it. I never managed to. Oh, no, don't get stuck. No, 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 no. No. Okay. I didn't want to get stuck on the glue. I might save that. Ooh, pretty. So the pole is a vampire, as you can see right there. And the bag is definitely Halloween-y. Halloween-y, but it feels like velvet. Like that smooth this way and a little rough this way, but ooh, pretty. And it's like bats and nice black pole. Nice. Let me take everything out. Ooh, what is that? Black interior. This is beautiful. I love it. The first item that's on the outside of my bag is a brush from Half Cake. This is 240 Blush. This has a cover on it. So we'll just pull it up like this. So that's a nice blush brush from Half Cake. Might share that because, you know, I don't think I need another blush brush. From Earth Harbor, we have Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask right here. And I want you to see how empty that is. There's hardly anything. Like, if you can get one use out of this, you're lucky. Wow. Can you see that? Like, there's nothing in there. One use. That's all you're going to get out of this. That's a disgrace. From Avant, we have Collagen Intense Radiance Activator Serum. Very, very nice. This brand is very expensive, so I'm happy to have that. I'm going to save that for last. And then here, I have something wrapped up. Oh, I've seen this brand before. I never know the name of this. I think it's like Rena Cosmetics, but I don't know the name that they print on there. I can never figure that out. No clue. Is that a B? Is that an R? Rena something? It's Rena Cosmetics, and this is Rosa Blush. So let's open you up. Okay, somehow open you up. Okay, without destroying my nails. No mirror, and this is the blush. Very, very pretty blush. Ooh, that feels nice. It's right there. I'll put it on my hand. Just a light wash of pink. Pretty. Blends out nice. Oh, I like that. I like. Don't need that little thing. So I like that. I just don't want my sleep. And the other item in here is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This on the top, or the bottom, I should say, says mascara. Volumizing mascara. I don't want to open this. I don't know if I'll keep that. Maybe I'll share that. So if I share the brush, the mascara from this bag, I think I want to share the palette. Let me put that stuff. So the palette, the brush, and the mascara. These brushes for sure. And that's really it because I'll keep everything else. So we're going to do a giveaway of these 4 items. The caveat to the giveaway is I would like to see this video, this Ipsy PR video, to get at least 200 likes over the next day or two. 48 hours. It's doable. It's happened. I've asked for that like in 24 hours. It's still doable because I have it happen with like Stitch Fix and some other ones. So if in the next 48 hours from the day this airs, so today is Monday. I'm thinking it's Tuesday. This is going to air on Monday, October 2nd. So October 4th, when that video publishes to YouTube and you can watch on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that would be 48 hours. On the 4th, when you can watch that video, this giveaway will end. If this video hit 200 or greater in likes, thumbs up. It's the thumbs up button. Now, is it the thumbs up that I want, or do I want views? 200 views. Forget the thumbs up. I mean, I still want you to do the thumbs up. 200 views or greater. By the time the video airs on October 4th, I will give these away. If it does not, then I don't give these away. So, comment as normal. Don't mention a giveaway. Like, come on. Like, let's, you know, to your best interest. Don't say, I'm excited. Come on, everybody watch. I'm excited for the giveaway, because then they could win. The more people that watch this video, the greater the chance We'll have a nice brush set, the mascara from ABH, and the Iconic palette. Now, can you rewatch? Absolutely. Hint, 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 hint. If you want to watch this 5 times to make it 5 views, and several people, many of you, just rewatch and rewatch. As soon as it gets to 200 views, I give this away. I will have the winner drawn based upon your comment. You can only comment once, though. That's the key. Don't comment 5 times if you've watched it 5 times. Just comment 1 time. You have to be publicly subscribed to the channel. That's mandatory. If you're not publicly subscribed, I can't verify it because I do check. And if you're publicly subscribed to the channel, you can enter all my giveaways and be included in these types of giveaways. So I'm going to put this off to the side this way so that I know that's to be given away. And I will check on the 4th at noon when the next video publishes. And if we've hit it, wonderful. I will put up a community post, yay, we did it, or sorry, didn't happen, and we just move on. But if we did hit it, then the following week, let me give you the dates of the following week. I don't even know. So that would be the week of the 9th through the 14th. I will post a quick video showing the winner, and we'll get it right out to you. I don't need to keep all this stuff. And when I get my paid bags, I'll share one or 2 of these October bags in future giveaways also. Because I would get 3 bags. I don't need to keep 3. I just like to keep 1. So tell all your friends, watch, rewatch. Let's get these views on these videos up, but especially this one, so that I can continue to get this in PR. That's a bonus. And the bonus for you is a giveaway. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Bye for now.